Has this ever happened to you?
You turn on the faucet to wash your hands, you go like that, the thing flips on, and whoa. And then dunk, dunk.
Worry no more with the Donald J. Trump Dishwasher.
I'm talking about dishwashers that give you more water so you can actually wash and rinse your dishes without having to do it 10 times.
And it can be yours for the low, low price of $10.
10. Your dishes are gonna be beautiful.
Order now and receive a free Donald J. Trump one-flush toilet.
People are flushing toilets 10 times, 15 times. 10 times, right? 10 times. Well, Bob, not me, of course not me, but you.